Hi Elisa, this is your Uncle Bruce, and I am going to solve your Rubik's Cube that your mom brought today. So, I'm going to put the, let's see, there we go. I can hold it right there. Alright, so anybody can learn to solve a Rubik's Cube. I can even help you to learn how. And you can impress all of your friends. It's a little bit tricky, but anybody can do it. Anybody can learn how. So, when I was your age, I had a Rubik's Cube, and I tried so hard to solve it, but I just couldn't figure out how for the life of me. And so, since then I've got a little practice solving them. Okay. This one's a little bit tricky because it's hard to move the edges, but that's okay. There. Now see, we have that white cross on the top. That's the first step. The next step is, let's see, I'm going to do this a special way. Green and purple. Purple and blue. This Rubik's Cube is interesting because it has different colors than the ones I'm used to. That really doesn't matter that much, though. It makes it a little bit of an interesting challenge. Okay. So now, put that there, that there, that there, and then that right there. We're gonna, let's see. Okay. See, now we have this corner, one of the corners in place too, the white corners. Next, I'm going to get another corner. Here is a blue-pink corner. So to get it, I'm going to go like this, like that, like that. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. So now look, we're starting to make some more progress here. These colors. We've almost got this white side put together. We just need to put a white piece here and a white piece here. So here's a white piece right here. Let's put it down there. This white piece has green and purple on it too. So it needs to match up with another piece that has green and purple. Look, here's a green and purple piece right here. So we're going to match this green and purple piece with this piece that's white and green and purple. We're going to put it down here with the other white pieces. We're going to put the two next to each other there. Okay, so to do that, we need to, let me think about this for just a minute. Okay, I need to bring that up. And scoot it over there and bring it down. I need to bring that over there. That over. Oh, whoops. Let's see. Oh. There we go. Okay, there we go. So now they're there. That one took me a little while. So now we just need to put one last white piece here. Now here's a white piece right here. This white piece has green and pink on it. So we're gonna find, oh, here's a pink green piece. So we need to move this a little bit so that it can go into the right place. So we're gonna do that just like that. And then let's see. Now we need to hide that one, spin that around, and bring it back. Oh, whoops, that's not right. What do we need to do here? We need to put it over there like that. There we go. Now we need to this one up and over. Whoops. Is it still recording? Yeah, it is still recording. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we have this whole white bottom side. Also, if you look around, these two pieces of the Rubik's Cube are solved all the way around. So now the last part we need to solve is just this part up here. So let's see, to solve this part up here, we need there we go. There we go. Let's see. Oh, getting close. There we go, look at that. And we have that top piece all yellow and done. We have the bottom done. We have those sides done. But now just around the edges of the top, these pieces are still out of order. So the last thing we need to do is get them in order. So we can do that by going, let me think about this. Okay, getting closer. See, we got all the purple ones. Now, we're getting really close. We just need, look, there are three pieces out of order still. That one, and that one. Everything else is all in order now. So, okay. Now we're getting closer. Now we have that. Okay. Let's do this one more time. Whoop. There we go. It's all solved. Look at that. Okay, Elisa. I hope you have a great day. I'll teach you how to do this. Anyone can learn how. It's not too bad.